friends. It's Miss Ann. Today, our read aloud is called Subway Ride by Heather Lynn Miller, illustrated by Sue Rama. Down, down, down. Step down below to see the world. Now, off we go. We pay our fare. We turn the gate. Underground, we wait, wait, wait. What do you think they're waiting for? Maybe a train? There's a special name for a train that goes underground. Do you know it? A subway. Saxophone blasts, jazzy vibes. Drums and cymbals, jam and jive. Rumbling, roaring, blurring speed. Silver bullet, rushing breeze. Wow, is that subway going fast or slow? Yeah, it looks like it's going very fast. We step on quickly, move aside. Doors slide shut, our turn to ride. Look, two friends are sitting. And three friends are holding on to the pole. You have to hold on tight. Busy folks step off and on. We stay put. Our trip is long. There are a lot of people in the subway, so when you take the subway, you should hold hands with mom or dad, or an aunt or an uncle, or maybe grandma and grandpa. An adult will keep you safe when there's a big crowd of people. Doors slide open. We slide back. Subway whizzes down the track. We bump and sway. We hold on tight. We zip through tunnels, dark as night. That's why this subway car has 1, 2, 3, 4 red lights shining into the tunnel. Clomping, stomping, shuffling feet. Step to the clacking subway beat. Last stop, we hear the driver shout. Doors open wide, we step out. Step up from the dark. A celebration in the park. The end. Leave us a comment or a video about where you've taken a subway to. You may have taken the subway to a park, like our friends in the story, or maybe you've taken a subway ride to a family member or a friend's house. Sometimes Miss Rayanne takes the subway to school. I hope you enjoyed this story. Talk to you soon.